Guys, it's Steph Motion here, and today it's another video. Now in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a bird out of clay. Now this one was made out of hard clay. You can see that that's its mouth, and those are its feet, and those are its and stuff like that. I know there's a lot of sunlight. So, that's your thing over there to see. I don't think you want to look at that anymore. And this is the clay that you're going to use. The clay. Now, you want to rip some of the clay, about half of it. Depends on how big your clay is. Once you rip about half of it, you start rolling it up into a ball. Like so. After you're done rolling it up into a ball, you flatten it on the ground. Make sure that only the bottom of the circle that has been touching your table or the thing to make it not dirty is flat, and the rest of it is still circular. Now, once that happens, you want to make eyes. It could be out of anything, white, black, I don't know, any color you want. Now, I'm not going to use my white yet. So I'm just going to put these. You make the eyes, and after I'm going to show you something else. For this guy, for my bird, he's going to have glasses. You can make the eyes however you want, with glasses, no glasses, sunglasses, I don't know, big eyes, small eyes, I don't know, medium eyes. Now after that, still making the glasses. Wait. So, then you want to make a beak. The beak will be like a cone, ice cream cones or whatever, or it could be a triangle. Most of the time, for my tactic, I take one flat triangle thing, like this, then I take another one, but make the other one a bit smaller, and put them together like so. Like this. And then put it on, and your bird is ready. Wait a minute, but there's still the back tails, the feathers for the back. I forgot about those. So, how you see for mine, there are these back parts. Now, you might be able to get circles, squares. I'm gonna do circles. Flatten some circles out of your clay and put them on the back. After you're done putting them on the back, you'll have your bird. Oh no, I forgot, feet. Yeah, I'll teach you how to make feet too after I'm done this. Trust me, I'm not taking my time, so it won't look that good. There we go. It's tail thing. I haven't spent so much time. Now, for this, you could see that I put feet in the front. I'm gonna do that too. You might already know how to do that, but for the people that don't, I'll teach you. First, you make 3 small triangles. 1 big triangle, well, not so big, but bigger than those other 3. The triangle should be around this big. In the camera, you can measure with your fingers. This big. Now, put it on the ground and make those small triangles for the toes. About 3. Because that's how most of them go like, I'm pretty sure. After you're done making your 3, you could put them on. Like so, like this. Now, put them on your bird around the mouth so that it looks pretty good. After you're done, make your second foot, and also you can make wings if you want, but I'll teach you that too, so teach you that too also. There we go. And that's our bird we made. Well, I made. But sure. Now, take a close look at both of them. And those are both of them. And that's how you make a bird. Now, catch you guys later. And there will be another video very, very soon. Steph, motion out.